Hi everyone, here we've got MEIZU M6T and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, for example, that you're connected with a Wi-Fi, and I highly recommend this option to choose. And now we can enter the Play Store, so simply tap on this option. I will do it using the Recents. And all you have to do right now is to simply tap on this 3 bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on My Apps and Games. As you can see here, we've got the list of all updates pending, so of course you can update all of those apps just by tapping on this green button, Update All, but you can also update only 1 or 2 of it. Just find it in the list, so let me pick the Gmail and tap on Update right next to it. After getting back to the very top of the list, you can see that from now on the Gmail will be downloaded, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your MEIZU M6T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.